Welcome to Groweon.com. In this video, we will see an overview of AMC management software. Many businesses face issues with revenue leakage and customer dissatisfaction. Our solution can help you address these concerns effectively. Imagine having a centralized AMC database where all your contracts are securely listed in one integrated place. Stay ahead with automated reminders for your AMC renewals. Not just that, you can also set reminders for service visits and payments. Our AMC module ensures that all your customer commitments are generated and organized in one spot, so you never miss a beat. Gain smart insights with our dashboards, allowing you to see upcoming renewals and perform accurate revenue forecasting. The AMC module reduces manual tasks, guarantees timely renewals, and fosters long-term customer trust, leading to hassle-free contracts and satisfied clients. That's the advantage of the Groweon AMC module. For more information, visit to our official website, groweon.com, and book a free demo. Thank you.